Hey, if you've ever wished you had your own AI assistant that could analyze data, create visual reports, and basically do hours of work for you in minutes, then this video is going to be a game changer. Today, I'm going to show you how to build an AI agent for data analysis, visualization, and reporting using InstantlyClaw, without coding, without complicated setup, and without spending weeks figuring things out. Now, let's be real for a second. Data work is powerful, but it's also time-consuming. Cleaning spreadsheets, analyzing trends, creating charts, writing reports. It adds up fast. And if you're running a business, freelancing, or even studying, this can slow you down big time. That's where AI agents come in. Instead of doing everything manually, you can set up a system that takes your raw data and turns it into clear insights, charts, and even client-ready reports automatically. So let's break this down step by step. First, once you log into InstantlyClaw, you're not starting from scratch. You already have a team of AI agents ready to go. Think of it like having a data analyst, a researcher, and a report writer all working together. Your job is simple. Give them a clear task. For example, let's say you have a spreadsheet with sales data. Instead of opening Excel and doing everything yourself, you can type something like, "Analyze this sales data, identify key trends, create visual charts, and generate a summary report with insights and recommendations." That's it. One instruction. Now, here's what happens behind the scenes. The AI agent starts by reviewing your data. It looks for patterns, things like top-performing products, sales growth over time, or underperforming regions. Then it organizes that information into something meaningful. Next, it creates visualizations. We're talking about charts, graphs, and breakdowns that actually make sense, not just random numbers on a page. This is huge, especially if you're presenting to clients or stakeholders. And finally, it generates a full report. Not just raw data, but a clean, structured document that explains what's happening and what to do next. This is where it gets really powerful, because you can take that report and immediately use it for client presentations, business decisions, marketing strategies, or even selling it as a service. Now, let's talk about automation. With InstantlyClaw, you can schedule this entire process. For example, you can set it to run every Monday. It pulls your latest data, analyzes it, updates the charts, and sends you a fresh report automatically. No manual work, no reminders. It just happens. Imagine offering this as a monthly reporting service to businesses. You collect their data once, set up your AI agent, and deliver weekly or monthly insights without doing the heavy lifting every time. That's not just productivity, that's leverage. But here's the key to making this work well: clarity. The better your instructions, the better your results. Be specific about what you want. Ask for trends, comparisons, forecasts, or even recommendations. Treat your AI agent like a team member, not just a tool. Also, always review the output. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. A quick check ensures everything is accurate and professional before you share it. So to recap, you give one clear instruction. The AI analyzes your data, creates visualizations, and delivers a complete report. And you can automate the entire workflow. That's how you build an AI agent for data analysis, visualization, and reporting using InstantlyClaw. All right, that's it from me today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.